Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for Android MySQL. In this session we will learn how to take the values from the PHP and writing the basic code of inserting the data into the database in PHP. Remember that when we will create the Android application, we will not use the PHP form which already we make in the session number 3, but we make this PHP code available for our Android application. Uh, and we will do all this procedure only because that we will confirm that there is no or anything doubt in our PHP coding. So just start, and first of all we will make a new file, and remember that we use this code file name, and we will use the same one. Create new file, and this code is here. Now you will use a code edit, and in this first of all we will take and learn how to take the values from the form and display it. We use a PHP, and first of all we will take email is equal to $_post command, and we will use the same variable name as we are written in the HTML form, email. You can change it to user email, user password, _post, check the password, user address is equal $_post, address, and the last one is user phone is equal to $_phone number. This is the all variables phone number. Now we just display the values. It is not necessary, but only to confirm that the data was smoothly transferred from one file to the other file, we will use echo command and check user email echo. This is very important file because if you will make Android application and you are not careful about this file, then you cannot find your mistake number. Okay, we will save it, and now we will check it. We will place the data here, and now we will submit this form, and I think the form is working very fine. And now I think you can see that the data was shown in the right format. And now then in the next step we will include and just remove this file, include this connection file in our user registration code, connection.php. We already checked it out that this file is working very fine, so the connection was established with our database. And now here is our query. I think insert query, and in this we will use the value insert into, and what is the name of our table name? We will check it out. ESP my admin. This is the name of our table and user table. We will use this table name here and user table, and then the next command is values, and we need these two brackets, and for just sake I just take synthesizer. How many columns are there? ID. If you remember that if you are inserting the data and you are leaving some column names, then you should give all the column names here. For this thing I will use user table and use user email, password, address, phone number, password, address, phone number, and after that values. And what will be the values? We have 4 columns. Okay, first of all we will insert the user email, user password, and user address, dollar sign, user phone number. And now we will run the query. Result is equal to MySQL underscore query. For this thing we need con. And what is the con? If you will remember this connection file and just open it, code edit, you will see the connection file, and here is a variable con. This con is here. We use this con, and the query, the next one is the insert underscore query. Now we'll check whether this if not dollar sign result, it will show us a message echo unable to insert the data due to, and use MySQL underscore error and use con here, else we will show them a message successful user registration. So this is the complete code for inserting the data, and now we will check our form and run this thing. Okay, I'm doing the copy quota. Okay, now just click register yourself. Successful user registration was shown. Now whether the data was go into this table or not, so we will just check and refresh this thing. You can see data was here. Once again, if you want to check, I will change the name of our student, Harun @gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com. Muzaffargarh, and house number 12 Muzaffargarh 0311. Okay, is this a number? Register yourself. Successful registration, and just go and check it out. So you can see that the data was inserted successfully, and inshallah in the next video we will learn how to create the interface for our MySQL Android MySQL application. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.